Assalamu alaikum and very good morning all of my students. I hope all are well by the grace of Allah Almighty. My dear students, I Muhammad Nurul Alam, senior teacher, Milestone School and College, English Medium Senior Section, Uttara Dhaka, Sector 11. See, today I'm going to conduct class with the students of class 6 on English first paper. Before introduce today's class, my dear student, I think you could remember the previous day we completed which lesson? Can you remind it? Yes, definitely. The previous day we completed right form of words. Let's go. I will show you few example for practice. I want to see you will get the answer one by one. My dear students, see, here I mentioned few example. Follow and try to give the answer. First one you see here, they already leave the place. Can you tell the answer? My dear student, I think you can. But think on minute about this answer. Hello, my dear student. Let's go. We will see the answer first on. They already, I think you know, if you get in any sentence already, just now, recently, in this time, we will make the sentence in present perfect tense. We will see the answer, try to remind it. See, wow, my dear student, I think you will get the answer. Hello, my dear viewers. Look at the monitor and see. Here, they have already left the place. Here the answer is have already left the place. Because in the sentence here used already, and if you get already, the sentence will be present perfect tense. I think it is clear to you. Let's go second number. Here the verse was in bracket to be always happy. You will get if the subject adjective and before adjective if you get that means the, in this way to be it will be plural. That means see the answer, my dear viewers. Hello, wow, you see the answer. I think you got the answer because the verse was the poor, the pious. If you get these types of word in this time, you will get the answer. That means to be, it will be are. The verses are always happy. I think it is also clear to you. Third number, you see here in red color as if. If you get in sentence as if, as though, at the time in bracket verb, if you get before as if present indefinite tense or present tense means here present indefinite continuous perfect or perfect continuous. If you get in bracket verb, you will get B2. Let's see the answer. Wow, I think you got the answer, my dear student. Like that, Topu talks as if he knew everything. I think these three example it is clear to you. See next, I have also mentioned another three example also. 4 number question. He if he comes, I in bracket go there. That means if including if the sentence you get present tense in bracket bar, before the bracket bar we will get that means shall or will or may or can. I think see the answer, you got the answer already. See the answer, yes. If he comes, I will or I shall go there. My dear viewers and my dear student, you got the answer. See, again my dear student, I want to tell you here one of the so important information. If you get in sentence list, here in bracket bar you will get before the bar should. Let's see the example, my dear viewers. See and think few seconds. Read attentively, lest you in bracket fail in the example in the exam. What will be the answer? See the answer, my dear viewers. Yes, I think you got the answer. Read attentively lest you should fail in the exam. Here that means here we get lest, that's why before the main bar we use here should. And last sentence, 6 number sentence follow here. If you get in sentence last year, last day, last night, ago, in this time I think you got the few important answer. What will be the answer? That means in bracket bar it will be B2. See the answer, means the sentence will be past indefinite tense. See the answer, my dear student. Wow, I think you thought the answer. I have shown what the answer. My dear viewers, today I am going to discuss such topics. You see, first I mention what? Hello, my dear student. Here 2 sentences I mention. Abir, hi Noor, how are you? Same way, Noor, I'm fine. Abir, and you? Same way you see another 2 sentences. Mina, hello Rina, good morning. Another Rina, good morning Mina, how are you? Can you guess, my dear student, today, my dear student, can you guess what types of topics we are going to discuss today? Definitely. I think you already understood what types of topics we are going to discuss today. My dear student, follow the that means here. What do you mean by the example and text? Think few seconds. Who can guess? Wow, I think you got. Today I am going to discuss conversation dialogue. That means writing for today, conversation and dialogue. We will see today's lesson. My dear student, writing part, topics, dialogue writing, our online CW number 27. My dear student, I think you will enjoy today's online class. See, aim of this lesson. My dear student, after learning this lesson, we will able to learn few important things. Number 1, define a conversation or dialogue. First, you have to know, after learning these topics, learning this lesson, what is dialogue, what is conversation. After that, you will able to learn, identify the writing method of a dialogue. How? you will write a dialogue, and what types of dialogue if you write, and you will deserve more marks. That's why after learning this lesson you will able to get these types of method or system and write an effective dialogue. How can you write an effective dialogue, my dear viewers? You will get it. I think what is the aim of these topics, my dear student, you got it. Hello my dear viewers, I think you are enjoying my class today, what I am telling. Okay, see, if you want to write a dialogue, what types of things you will follow. Before that, what is the definition of dialogue? That means what is a dialogue? See, I have mentioned here two definition. I have mentioned here two definition. Number one, you see, a dialogue is nothing but the talking between two people. Try to remind it, my dear student. My dear student, first definition I told you, what is a dialogue? I think you must remind it. At the last part of the class, I will ask you, I will take you on test also. I think you will able to give the answer. Again I am telling, a dialogue is nothing but the talking between two people. I think it is clear to you. Second definition, see, a dialogue is a special conversation. Try to remind it. A dialogue is a special conversation among people with different points of view on issues on mutual concern. My dear student, you see the two definition of dialogue. I think it is clear to you. Now see, if you want to write a dialogue, what you should follow. Before writing a dialogue, you mention or you will get an effective subject. That means if you want to write dialogue, there will be an effective subject, and there will be the name of speakers. That means the two important things you follow. My dear viewers, here also you see few guidelines for writing a dialogue. If you want to write a dialogue, few guidelines you must follow. An effective subject, there will be an effective subject. Name of the speakers, introduction or greetings, expression on farewell, expression on drawing others' attention, expression or gratitude, expression on asking for permission, using contraction, and there will be also concluding. My dear student, I think writing part you will enjoy if you get the information how you will write. My dear student, what types of point I mentioned, keep it in your mind. Last part of the class I also give you quiz like that means previous classes. My dear student, follow what I have given here. This point keep in your mind. Okay, let's go, and few important point also here. If you want to write a dialogue, there you must mention. That means in a dialogue must have interesting. That means dialogue must be interesting. Otherwise, nobody get that means enjoyable attitude when you write in dialogue. Second one, it must be sensibility. In vocation, there will be also an that means interesting concluding also. My dear student, I think you follow this method when you will write a dialogue. I think it is clear to you. If you want to write a dialogue, what types of things you will follow. Let's go. I am showing you one of the system. Those points I discuss You will get here what types of word you will mention. First you say greetings or introduction. If you want to mention or introduce a dialogue, what types of word you may use. I show you here few information. My dear student, see, during the time of greetings, you will mention good morning, good evening, good afternoon. These types of word you will mention when you write a dialogue or introduce part, greeting parts. Next, expression on farewell. If you show or if you that means give anyone farewell, what types of word you will use? Good night, goodbye, or see you again. These types of word or this types of sentence you will use. Expression on drawing others' attention. If you want to draw others' attention, what types of word you will use? Excuse me, pardon me, hello, hi. These types of word you will use. Then you will follow expression on gratitude. You want to show the respect others, speech, other word. What types of word you will use? Thank you. You are so good. You are so kind. You are so great. These types of sentence you will use during the time of expression on gratitude. My dear viewers, see another part, expression on asking for permission. Here, can or may I, these types of word you will use. Could you please or would you mind please. These types of word you will use during the time of asking permission. And using contraction, it is very important part. It makes a dialogue very interesting. See, short form of the words. I have mentioned here few words like that. I am, it will be cannot, it will be can't, let us, it will be let's, do not, it will be don't. For your better understanding, my dear student, see, these types of thing you will practice more from your book. For that reason, you will get good informations about it. My dear student, for your better understanding, I want to show you one of the full dialogue, how you will write and what types of word you will use in a dialogue for getting more marks. Let's go and see and enjoy the dialogue. I have made here one of the dialogue from your syllabus. A dialogue between two friends about how to speak English fluently. You know, English is an international language and this is important language for us. If anyone want to speak in English, he or she has to maintain, he or she has to follow some important information. I will show you today. Let's enjoy. My dear students, see, first two characters. Before that, an important subject I have shown you, speak English fluently. And speakers here, Noor and Rina, two speakers I mentioned. According to your question, you will mention the character. See first, and greetings, Noor, hello. Rina, how are you? Rina, hi, I'm fine, and you? Then Noor, I'm also fine. You see, I am not here, I am writing here it's short for. How are you going on with your study? Rina, I'm doing quite well in all subjects except English. That means here she has given the importance on English. Then Noor, English is an international language. We all should be knowledgeable in English. Rina, you are excellent in English. your fluency in English is very good. Tell me how I can do it. Then Noor also told, in order to enrich your vocabulary, you need to read dictionary. Then grammar will help you writing correctly and rich vocabulary will help you use the correct word at the proper place. My dear viewers, you see what is the importance? Then Rina, how can I develop my fluency power of conversation? Rina also asked another suggestion from Noor. See another one. Noor. The only way to develop fluency is practicing of speaking English. That means you all the student should practice speaking English. My dear student, you have to practice more like Noor suggests Rina. Rina, is there anything more? No. To enhance your writing capacity, you have to write a few passages in English every day. That means freehand writing in English every day should write. Moreover, to develop your listening skill, you must hear English news in radio, watch English films, etc. You should also read books, newspapers, magazines, etc. written in English. That means you have to practice English by reading or watching English newspaper, English magazine or English film. Rina also said, at the time, thank you for your good suggestions. Noor, you are most welcome. Rina, you are also welcome. Noor, thank you. Bye. Rina, I wish you good luck. Bye. My dear student, I think here one of the excellent and attractive that means finishing. You will write a dialogue by giving these types of finishing. My dear student, for your better understanding and more practice, I show you few dialogue. See here. See, so nice thing. Okay, my dear student, follow. Dialogue practice. From your syllabus, I have mentioned here a few dialogue. Before that, you see, every student should practice the dialogues following the above instruction for getting more marks. If you want to get more marks, you have to practice the following dialogues by following the above instruction I have already given you. Here you see dialogue number A, a dialogue between a teacher and a student who often comes late. B number, already I have shown you full format. Following this format, you practice a dialogue between two friends about how to speak English fluently. And C number, a dialogue between two friends about their aim in life. My dear viewers and my dear student, I think what I have shown above, the above instruction, you try to remind you, and these three dialogues you practice more and more so that you can get more marks. And if you want to get good marks, there will be no way to practice above instruction, above things. My dear students, see another information here. Now, what we learned earlier in the beginning, I told you the last part of the class I will show you few information like here feedback or here also confirmation. If you get the answer, I think you will able to understand today's lesson. My dear viewer, think 1 minute and see. First, I have shown you, see here, what is called a dialogue. Think few minutes or few seconds. Who can get the answer, my dear student? Okay, I think you got it because you already was my online class attentively. See, wow, I have given earlier two definition, but I mentioned here on definition. You may write any on. A dialogue is nothing but the talking between two people. I think you got the answer. My dear viewers, see second on what is the word? My dear student, construction. See, I have shown you what is it? It is, I shown you got it, short form of the words. Contrast, that means short form of the words. I am, cannot, can't, let us, let's, do not, don't. This types of word you will get it. Third number, what types of word we will use in the time of greetings? See, my dear viewers. Yes, I think you got the answer. I also again giving you. During the time of greetings, you use good morning, good evening, good afternoon. My dear students, I think you are enjoying the class at now because it is very important question. I think you are going to get the answer. See another question. Here, who can tell? Think few seconds. What types of word we will use in the time of expression on drawing others' attention? Think few seconds. Wow, I think you got the answer. We will see the answer now on the monitor. See. Yes? Excuse me, pardon me, hello, hi. These types of word we'll use. Okay? 5 number question answer. Think and try to find out the answer, my dear viewers. What type of word we will use in the time of expression on gratitude? Think few seconds. Wow, my dear student, you are going to get the answer. See the answer. Yes, thank you. You are so good. You are so kind. You are so great. These types of word we'll use. And last question, who can give the answer? I think all are you able to give the answer. Okay, we will see the answer now. See, my dear viewers. What types of word we will use in the time of expression on farewell? Good night, goodbye, see you again. These types of word or this we will use. My dear viewers, I think you already enjoy my class. Now, today I am going to give you homework, and before giving homework, if you have any question, say any question. Wow, see, so nice picture. My dear viewers and students, if you have any question, you may write something in comments. I'll try you give the answer. Hello, see you again the question. I think you have no question. If you watch my video properly, attentively, I think there will be no question because I have tried my level best to give all the answer properly. See, next. Wow, my dear student, your today's homework. All of you take your diary, CW copy and write your homework. Today, the following dialogue, it will be learn plus write. You will write it in your homework copy. Dialogue following your syllabus. C number dialogue, a dialogue between two friends about their aim in life. My dear student, I think you have understood. Okay? Hello. From the very beginning and up to last part, if you watch the video attentively, I think you have uh, you have no problem. And last homework you also write attentively and properly by following the above instruction. My dear student, thank you all. Allah Hafiz.